What is security glass? Hello friends, today we will talk about the use of security glass in the houses, what it is and the use of it. Security glass, also called safety glass, is glass that has been treated to be safer than standard glass. So how is security glass safer than regular, standard glass? Well, security glass is treated with heat to be 1. More resistant to breakage. 2. Safer when broken, doesn't break with jagged edges. While safety glass on windows and doors is sometimes required by law, you may want to double-check that all glass doors, windows in your home are made with security glass to help prevent break-ins. First, let's go over the two types of security glass. Types of safety glass. You can choose between two different types of safety glass, tempered and laminated. We'll go over the difference between each. Tempered glass. Also called toughened glass, tempered glass has been heated to about 1200 degrees Fahrenheit and then cooled quickly, to become stronger and more resistant to breakage. When tempered glass does break, it crumbles into small chunks instead of shattering into shards as plate glass does. Tempered glass is often used on computer monitors, refrigerator shelves, oven and microwave doors, automobile passenger windows. Laminated glass. Laminated glass is essentially a glass sandwich with a resin glue film in the middle to prevent the glass from breaking into sharp pieces. When laminated glass breaks, the glass adheres to the film, creating the distinct spider web pattern you'd recognize on a broken car windshield. Most car windshields are made of laminated glass. Laminated glass is also commonly used on shower doors, enclosures, storefront doors, windows, greenhouse windows, office walls, partitions. Now that you know how security glass is made, we'll go over how it can deter intruders. How security glass can prevent break-ins. Windows are one of the weakest points of entry in your home. Even if you diligently lock your windows at night and when you're away from home, an intruder can easily break a plate glass window. With safety glass on your home's windows, an intruder would have a much harder time breaking in. C. The tempering process makes tempered glass 5 to 10 times stronger than regular plate glass. And laminated glass can withstand repeated blows. This means an intruder would have to spend a lot more time trying to break a window with safety glass than they would one with plate glass. Better yet, installing glass break sensors on safety glass windows will trigger your security alarm as soon as the glass cracks, which could be before the intruder even makes it through the glass. Tempered versus laminated glass. What's best for your home? Unfortunately, I can't give a good security glass recommendation without inspecting your home and talking with you about your security needs. That being said, we'll go over a few pros and cons of tempered and laminated glass. Compared to laminated glass, tempered glass is much stronger, i.e. more resistant to breaking, costs significantly less. However, laminated glass offers better soundproofing, blocks almost 97% of UV rays, can be repaired if the damage is minor. Tempered glass usually needs to be replaced completely. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to the engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make Home.